Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are safe at your homes. Today we are going to do revision of perpendicular and parallel lines. As we have already completed textbook pages 233 till 249 and workbook pages 121 till 126. After attending today's lesson, I hope you will be able to identify and name perpendicular lines, identify and name parallel lines, draw perpendicular or parallel lines on square grids. Let's have a recap of perpendicular and parallel lines. Parallel lines. When two lines stay at the same distance from each other at all the points, then these lines are called parallel lines. Parallel lines never intersect each other. And the symbol for denoting parallel lines is the two straight lines. Perpendicular lines. When two lines intersect each other at right angle, then these lines are called perpendicular lines. The symbol for denoting perpendicular line is the two intersecting lines, as you can see on your screen. After having a recap, let's start today's work. Today's work will be done on the notebooks, so please open your notebooks, write down today's date and day, topic perpendicular and parallel lines, and please don't forget to underline the topic. Question number 1. Draw a line perpendicular to the line AB. Just take a ruler, put it on your notebook and draw a straight line AB on the notebook. Then place the ruler on line AB and draw a vertical line and name the new line as CD. Mark the right angle formed by line AB and CD. Dear students, after drawing pair of perpendicular lines, please write the steps below your drawing as step 1. Draw a line on grid lines and label it AB. Step 2. Use a ruler, draw a vertical line that intersect line AB and label the line CD. Mark the right angle formed. Please draw the ending line after completing question number 1 and then write question number 2. Question number 2 is draw a line parallel to the line AB. Take the ruler and draw a straight line AB on your notebook as shown on the screen. Then count the equal number of squares from both the sides. As you can see, I have counted 4 squares from point A and 4 squares from point B. Mark and label the new points as C and D. Then draw a line to join point C and D and mark the arrowheads to show that these lines are parallel to each other. After drawing pair of parallel lines, again write the steps below that. As step 1, draw a line on the grid lines and label it AB. Step 2, count an equal number of squares from point A and B. Mark the points, label these points as C, D. Step 3, draw a line joining C and D. Mark the lines with arrowheads. Let's have a consolidation. In consolidation, you people will tell me whether the pair of line is parallel or perpendicular. Let's see the first pair of lines. YZ and QP. As you can see, the two lines in front of you. So please recall the definition of perpendicular and parallel lines and then guess whether the pair of lines is parallel or perpendicular. I can say that YZ is parallel to QP. Why? Because the distance between the two lines is same and these two lines are not going to intersect each other. Next have another pair of lines, line AB and CD. As you can see, line AB is going to intersect line CD and going to form a right angle. So, according to the definition, this pair of lines is called perpendicular lines. Now it's the time for homework. Question number 1. Draw a line AB parallel to CD on your notebooks. What you people are going to do, as you can see on your screens, you people are going to draw a line CD and then take an equal distance and draw another line AB that is parallel to CD. Also write the steps below your drawing. Question number 2. Draw a line UV perpendicular to SD on notebook. Again, see what you are going to do. Draw a vertical line ST and then draw another line which is going to intersect line ST and going to form a right angle, and name that new line as UV. Also write the steps below question number 2 as well. I hope you can easily do it as we have practiced a lot. Take a very good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.